we can hit these little dunes. Brutus! Yo! You ready for this? Yo! Oh! Oh! Let's see. This may look fun taking it on this right here. Let's look up here and make sure I don't drain this thing's battery. Oh, barbed wire, gotta be careful. Let's see. Like a racetrack. Let's go get them. If I turn it, I can hear it. Like right together! Right, guys, I just hit this broom and look what happened. Right, it's starting to die, I can hear it. Get him. Let's go strip one more time. How you doing, Max? Look at the camera, Max. Max, look at me. Hey, buddy. Hey, kitties. Let's go this way. Here's my bike. This thing went. Never got the chance to see this thing run, but it just needs some new parts, which I do not know when we're getting. This way. Yeah, you're going to RV. Just keep it around just anybody don't even go on it. Say hi. Nope, nope, come here. Yeah, come here. Guys, what we're trying to do? We're gonna get up this. Let's see. It is steep. Go. See if we can. Jeez. These are. I think these used to be like anthills. Like this one, but nothing's coming out. Nothing. I think I'm just hill again. Without falling this time. There we go. Ugh. Really, that's gonna be it. I don't know what else. If y'all have any ideas, because I'm probably thinking about uploading a vlog tomorrow. And if you have any ideas, leave them in the comments. Like, do I'm doing an in-house tour, like something like that. Well, see you in the next one. Peace.